Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Does it often rain in your location? Would you like to have a rain chain in your gutter? If you're looking for a rain chain, then the watering can rain chain redirect flow of rainwater will be the product for you. This is a rain chain which will redirect the flow of water. At the top of each copper segment sits a finely detailed watering can to redirect the flow of rainwater, giving your house an ambient decoration every time it rains. This baby is very ideal if it is frequently raining in your location. A simple yet very elegant way of decorating your house. Here are its technical details. Dimensions are 12 by 12 by 12. Weight is 9 pounds. Grab the watering can rain chain redirect flow of rainwater today at a very affordable price. And see to it that every time it rains, you can lively up your house with this rain chain. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.